This video breaks down the best Neon Bank budgeting method designed for people who want clarity, control, and real results with their money. Neon Bank works best when you turn it into a system, not just a place to store cash. Start by treating your Neon account as a command center. The first move is separating money the moment it lands. The instant income hits, split it into clear purposes. Fixed expenses come first. Rent at $1,200, utilities at $150, internet at $80, transportation at $200. This money is locked in mentally and digitally, so it never mixes with spending cash. Next is your daily spending buffer. Allocate a fixed monthly amount, say $600, strictly for food, small shopping, and personal needs. Divide that into weekly limits so you always know how much is safe to spend. Neon's real-time balance updates make overspending obvious and uncomfortable, which is exactly the point. Savings are non-negotiable in this method. Set aside at least $300 monthly into a dedicated savings space inside Neon. This is not emergency money yet. This is consistency money. Watching it grow creates discipline faster than motivation ever will. Then comes the emergency fund. Build it slowly with $100 to $200 monthly until it reaches at least $2,000. This single step protects you from debt, stress, and financial panic. The final layer is future-focused money. Allocate whatever remains, even if it is $150, toward investments, skill learning, or a business reserve. This turns Neon Bank from a budgeting app into a wealth tool. Every transaction has a job. Every dollar is assigned before it is spent. This method removes guessing, emotional spending, and financial anxiety. Neon Bank becomes your silent accountability partner, keeping your money organized, intentional, and working for you daily.